Welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley and I love makeup. I focus on indie and affordable brands, so if that's what you're into, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and let's go ahead and get started in today's video. Alright, you guys. So, a couple things. My voice keeps going in and out, so I apologize if, I just sound weird or I start talking and my voice just goes. I'm not sure what's going on. I don't feel sick, but our weather's been weird and it has been below freezing, which my allergies are good then, but now it's in the 50s, so anything above freezing just completely destroys my allergies. So, and there's that. And then today's video was actually a request from Positively Kimmy. Go subscribe to her channel on YouTube. Give her some love. And she asked me if I could do a video on the Neutrals palette by Ccolor Cosmetics. So, when you see this, you're going to know what it's a dupe for. Right there. The Tati palette. So, what was funny was, I've had this palette, I actually bought it last summer, and that was right around the time, unfortunately, that Ccolor Cosmetics went out of business, which sucked because I was like, well, I don't really want to film if they're no longer in business and, you know, people can't get these products anymore. I try not to do that. I really do. However, I agreed to do the video, and a couple days later, this is just the most bizarre, crazy chain of events. Ccolor Cosmetics posted on their Instagram, that hadn't been posted on in several months because the brand shut down, that they were going to be bringing the Neutrals palette back and it was going to be available on Amazon. I think starting in February. So around the time or maybe right after this video will go up. I don't know if they just maybe found a limited quantity of palettes or they started producing them again. I'm not sure. But if you do want to get your hands on this, you missed the Tati palette, and I'm not sure formula-wise if it's a dupe for dupe, but color-wise it's very close. You have an opportunity to pick this up again. So that's all I know for now. Like I said, don't know how many they have, if they're trying to come back or what, but I have tried some of their palettes and I have enjoyed them. So let's go ahead and let's get started. I am just, you know, for some reason, I thought there was a row of black instead of more blue shades, but there's not. So I think we're going to do one eye that is going to be this blue row, and then one eye that is going to be this pinky mauve row. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to stay in the rows, which I usually don't do, but I just feel like mixing it around, just this palette is just laid out so perfectly that I don't want to mess it up. So let's go ahead, let's get started. And we're going to start with the pink row. So obviously we're going to take this really pretty matte shade right here, and it's in the shade Wine right there. And we're just going to start working that in the crease. And to be completely honest, I'm really glad Kimmy asked me to do this video because I kind of forgot that I bought this palette. But I was looking for palettes to do shorts with because I've just been filming some shorts just showing off my palettes, and yeah, I don't remember if I filmed the short and then she saw it and then she was like, hey, could you do this? Or I think she just happened to mention it though, and I was like, you know what? I do have that palette somewhere, let me find it, and I'm really glad I did. Because it's just a beautiful, beautiful palette. Oh, you guys, the birds are back chirping. That makes me so happy. Okay. So we got a nice little base going there. Now, one of these shades is like the Sparkle Pinpoint shade. Let's take some of that too, which that is going to be this one right here. That's pretty. I mean, this whole palette's pretty, don't get me wrong. Just gonna put that a little bit more right in the crease and just kind of gently start blending it onto the lid. Just a little bit. You know, I guess I am just gonna put down like a whole layer all over the lid. Just lightly though, just a little. Because we're going to take, the next shade is the metallic shade, and then we're going to take that and just really go over the lid with that. Which I am going to put down some glitter glue, just because. Okay, putting down just that NYX glitter glue, just a little light layer. And then we're gonna take, oh, okay, so I just realized this is actually, the whole row is called wine. So we're in the wine row right now. I don't know why, I just noticed that. Please forgive me. All right, so we're gonna take the metallic shade, put it all over the lid, and then we're gonna play with some glitter. Sorry, I just have some like eye gunk right there. Like I said, my allergies are just horrible right now because the weather's getting warmer and it's not good. Okay. Can we just talk about just how pretty that is? Like, and it was just simple, easy. Easy peasy. All right. Sorry, I've got something in my eye. It's not anything to do with the shadow. It's the allergies. All right. Now I'm going to take this really, really, really pretty glitter shade right here. Right there. She's beautiful. And I'm trying to, let's start around the center of the eye. I'm going to put a little more glitter glue down just to be safe. Just around the center of the eye. And if I feel the need to add more, we'll do that. Of course. You can never have too much glitter. Oh man, these are pretty. Okay, can you see that? Okay, that is so pretty. Okay, okay. I love it. You know, I love me some glitter. Okay, I think I'm just gonna keep it there around the center of the eye. That is so pretty. Okay, now we're gonna, well, no, I need to do something with the lower lash line. Sorry, I'm already so looking forward to the other glitter shade that I'm like forgetting what I still need to do. Okay, we're gonna take just the matte shade in the wine line, which is this right here, and that's gonna be our lower lash line shade. Now, I know I said that I'm going to stay within the rose, but I need something for like a lower inner corner highlight. So we are going to, just for a quick second, go into, let's do, you know, really the only like really light shade is this one right here. Sorry, right there. So that's what we're going to use, which is, there's nothing wrong with that. And it's not really a whole lot, so there's not a lot of payoff there. It's just a little something something, just a little lighter to put right there, which is fine. Okay, guys, now start with the other eye, and this is the Onyx row right here. So we're gonna start that matte black shade. I'm gonna try and start lightly, build up. Hopefully it's not too crazy. No, that should be fine. Okay, that is building up quickly. Like that is pigmented. Okay, I need to stop because this is going to get away with me quickly. And it already has. Okay. Now, we're gonna take that shimmer. So this is actually called shimmer. So this is the shimmer shade in this row. And put that in the crease a little bit, and then just start working it down on the eye. And just put like a light dusting of that on the lid like we did with the wine row. Okay, I do like that you can actually see the little glitters in that shade, because most shades that are like this, you can't. And y'all, I'm so sorry. I always overshoot this eye. It's driving me crazy, but I don't really have a way to fix it right now, so hopefully it doesn't bother you. Okay, now we're gonna put some glitter glue on. We're gonna go on with that metallic shade, and then we're gonna put a little more glitter glue on, do some glitter, and yeah. Okay. All right, so next, that metallic shade right here. And we're just gonna put that all over the lid. Okay, we are getting some fallout on this side, so I'm gonna have to redo that quite a bit. All right, Now I'm going to put a little more glitter glue down just in the center of the eye like I did for the other eye. And we are going to then put some of that glitter down, which I'm really, really excited about because it looks really, really pretty. Okay. Now, the glitter right here. So pretty. I wish you guys could see like how pretty that looks on the brush. Okay, that is absolutely beautiful. Like, I love that so much. I do want to just quickly take a brush with nothing on it and just kind of blend this out a little bit because that shade got away with me quickly. It happens. I'm not perfect. I just need to kind of blend it a little bit more. Okay. And then I kind of want to just do the same for the other eye as well, just to kind of blend that out a little bit. Okay. All right, you guys, gotta go fix a little bit of a fallout mess, do my mascara. I will be right back. Oh, wait, you guys, I am like, this whole fallout thing just has me so like, I don't know. I'm having a day. I'm human. I need to do the lower lash line, so we're gonna take that matte shade. Hopefully it doesn't go too crazy on me. I'm just gonna put the tiniest little bit on the brush. Get that put down and use that same shade for just like a somewhat lower inner corner highlight, if that's what you would like to call it, and then get myself put back together. Hey, is it really a tutorial if you don't have fallout and have to redo half your makeup? Probably not. All right, so again, just taking this shade right here for the lower inner corner highlight. I wish I could be like a eyes first, base last girly, but I just never feel like my looks come out right if I do that, because I've always done base first, eyes last. All right, I will be right back. All right, you guys, so I am back, and this was the Neutrals palette by Ccolor Cosmetics. Here's the back of the palette. Here is the inside of this palette. This is just, you know what, this is so beautiful. It's so fun. Kimmy, thank you so much for asking me to do this video. And here are the looks that I created. Y'all know how to use the glitters. This is just a really pretty fun look. And I'm looking at these, and the wine side could be like a perfect Valentine's Day look, but also so could the onyx side. Like, if you want a more darker, smoky Valentine's look, you can go with this side, or you can do this. It's a little more pinky, wine toned, and I don't know, it's fun. I really have needed my filming time this weekend. Yeah, work is just going to be the death of me one day. And my lippy, let's find her if I can. I don't know. Okay, so it's the Unearthly Cosmetics Satin Liquid Lipstick in the shade Gloria, which is freaking stunning. Just absolutely beautiful. Here she is in all her glory. This is just absolutely beautiful. So you guys, thank you so much for being amazing. Just know that you're loved. You're beautiful. You're stunning, gorgeous, all the amazing things. Thank you so much for all the love that you've shown me and my channel. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And just have a wonderful day, night, morning, evening, whatever it is, wherever you are. And I'll see y'all in the next one.